This video is sponsored by Squarespace. These days, creative output is expected in large quantities, and creative input is often overlooked. So here are 10 ways to get your creative juices flowing again.
One of our favorite ways to recharge is to listen to music that inspires us. And we recommend New Jersey's Boss of Rock, the Gaslight Anthem.
Connecting with nature is the best way to get back in touch with your creative self.
So, get out there and touch some grass.
Leafing through old journal entries is a good way to reacquaint yourself with things that once inspired you in the past. Exercising is a good way to get blood flowing to your brain and to keep you from doom scrolling. Hey, get off that.
True fans of 30 Rock know moments of inspiration often occur when the brain is distracted from the problem at hand. For example, when you're showering.
I was in the shower when I finally got the title of the movie Face Off. Face Off, Face Off.
A fiction book can really open up your imagination. Or, if you hate reading, choose a book with more photos than words. There's probably no better place to draw inspiration from than your local art museum.
Or the better one, that's 40 minutes away.
Playfulness is a key component to our vitality, and making something with your hands is a great way to tap into that. It's gonna be a knife. The easiest thing you can do to find inspiration, sit on your couch and watch something.
You've got mail again?
Got mail.
Yes.
Try going somewhere new. Your prefrontal cortex is constantly filtering out things that aren't vital to your well-being, so putting yourself in a new environment opens you up to seeing things in a whole new way.
Try building a website with Squarespace. I'm not sure if it'll help unlock your creativity, but it can't hurt to try. We've been Squarespace customers since 2013, way before this YouTube channel started. We currently pay for 4 Squarespace websites, and striptriviapod.com is one of them.
If you're not raking in money hand over fist with your podcast, you might want to check out Squarespace's new member areas, where you can sell access to gated content like video classes, digital downloads, or newsletters.
You can also showcase your photography with Squarespace's professional portfolio designs. Customize the layout, the look, and the feel to make it your own. Also, you can schedule and book appointments straight from your website. You need to log in that client meeting? Well, they can easily see your availability and reschedule if needed, making your life a heck of a lot easier.
Here's what our new podcast website looks like, and if you're in the market for a new website or domain, we'll save you 10% when you go to squarespace.com/mangostreet, or just click the link down in the description, or use the code MangoStreet at checkout. The options are virtually endless.
Sounds like there's just 3 options.
Okay, there's 3 options.